Well, chasing that far out, you've got low phone reception, you've got wildlife, you've got 45-degree temperatures, you've got big distances between fuel stops and shops, you're not going to pass many cars, it's just a pretty remote area. Well, I had my drone up in the air, shooting the wonderful landscapes and a storm in the distance, and it was attacked by an eagle. Well, it looked like, from the footage, it looked like it circled 2, 3, 4 times, but on the third time, it really came hard at it. I'm not sure if the eagle was hungry. I think the eagle was curious, and once it found an unknown body, it got angry and attacked. Well, I could see the vision through my phone on my remote control, and once the eagle had attacked, my gimbal had moved, my drone had shaken out of position quite drastically, and because it was a new drone, I needed to bring it down because I didn't want it to lose it, essentially, especially if the eagle attacked again. Well, the storms were just getting going. I thought the day was a bit of a write-off, and then they suddenly got going around 3:30. They were still underwhelming once they finally got going, but definitely the whole of the day was the eagle attack. My first thought was my drone was in an area where the eagles were surveying some prey. I thought it was just a random occurrence that my drone had suddenly gone up where these 2 eagles were surveying for some food. I was in their space, they checked me out a couple of times initially, they got angry, they attacked. I'm going to check my drone tonight for any more damage. I'll be out again tomorrow in another national park, another remote area. My drone will be up in the air again, and we'll see what happens. Well, the roads are unsealed, and when it rains, the roads turn from obviously hard gravel to soft clay, but it's renowned for its severe storms because the tropical sea breeze meets the inland breeze, and it's had a good run of storms lately, so I thought I'd go check it out. Remote towns near where I live, they're on my bucket list. I haven't been there. There's some severe weather that have been through those towns lately, and I'm a school teacher, so I'm on holidays, and I wanted to go check it out.